Harvard astrophysicist Avie Loeb has just published an analysis suggesting the 3-side object may have catastrophically exploded into at least 16 fragments, creating a cosmic fireworks display we're only beginning to observe. This is merely speculative evidence. The data is quantifiable, and the consequences are staggering. Think about what this implies. We might be tracking a piece of interstellar debris in real time. We witnessed evidence of its disintegration captured by telescopes and space instruments. But this is where the official narrative starts to get complicated, because another possibility arises, raising even more troubling questions about the true nature of this visitor. Time is running out to determine which narrative holds true. Let me show you. This story doesn't begin with the explosion, but with an improbable discovery. The tale started months earlier, when Chile's ATLAS telescope system caught an inconspicuous speck of light during a routine sky survey. Initially, it was dismissed as just another among thousands of asteroids. But the orbital calculations sent shivers down every scientist's spine. Its trajectory was an open hyperbola. This meant it didn't originate from the solar system. It came from interstellar space. It was the third interstellar object ever observed by humanity. We welcomed 3I Atlas. The I in its name stands for interstellar, while the 3 signifies it as humanity's third interstellar messenger. Predictions indicate it will reach perihelion on July 1st. Before departing the solar system forever, this was meant to be a fleeting encounter, a precious addition to our data. But 3I Atlas refused to follow the script. The strangest events only began in late August 2025. When the James Webb Space Telescope trained its lens on it, the first anomaly surfaced. Images revealed 3I Atlas shrouded in a colossal carbon dioxide cloud, spanning a diameter equivalent to the Earth-Moon distance. This alone was highly unusual. Yet spectral data analysis delivered an even greater shock. Its iron to nickel ratio exceeded that of any known comet. The pattern of its organic compounds defied every chemical law we recognized. It seemed to declare that the material forming this object originated from a foundry utterly distinct from our solar system. Then the second anomaly struck. As it approached the Sun, instead of slowing slightly under gravity, like all celestial bodies, it began to accelerate. According to analysis from the Harvard Data Center, its acceleration reached a staggering 94 kilometers per square second daily. This figure instantly rendered all physical models obsolete, as if propelled by some invisible force. Then it began to change color. Typically, comets appear yellow or white due to sunlight reflection. But 3I Atlas emitted an eerie blue glow. Spectral analysis revealed this light originated from ionized metals like cobalt and titanium. These materials are extremely rare in interstellar space. The conventional explanation is comet outgassing, similar to Halley's comet. However, measurements from August to October rendered this explanation inadequate. 3I Atlas's mass loss rate skyrocketed from 330 kilograms per second to nearly 2 million kilograms per second, an increase of 6 orders of magnitude. This equates to evaporating to skyscrapers per second. Harvard astrophysicist Avie Loeb's analysis indicates the energy released is entirely inconsistent with simple mass loss, suggesting another energy source is at play. A colossal paradox emerges. To achieve such an astonishing mass loss rate, 3I Atlas's nucleus would need a diameter of 14 kilometers. Yet clear images captured by the Hubble telescope in July reveal its core diameter is only about 2 kilometers. How could a 2-kilometer object produce energy equivalent to that released by a 14-kilometer object? Avie Loeb and his team proposed a startling inference. 3I Atlas may have catastrophically exploded, shattering into at least 16 fragments. Each fragment exposed new surface areas, dramatically increasing the sublimation surface. Mathematical calculations support this view, which appears to resolve the energy paradox. Aber fireworks display. Early November 2025. Observations confirmed 3I Atlas had indeed disintegrated. But Loeb left a thought-provoking statement in his report. He wrote this process may not have been entirely natural. Some astronomers noted, its fragmentation pattern exhibits suspicious symmetry, as if meticulously engineered. If true, this explosion wasn't the end, but potentially the beginning of some program. If the story ended here, it would remain an anomalous interstellar comet that ultimately disintegrated. But the true shock came after its disintegration. On November 9, 2025, observers from the British Astronomical Association processed a batch of images. The results left everyone speechless. The fragments of 3I Atlas did not disperse into a diffuse cloud of gas as expected. Instead, they exhibited an extremely rare counter-Nidus tail phenomenon. The bright streaks did not diverge from the sun, but pointed directly toward it. This defied the fundamental physics of solar wind radiation pressure. Even more astonishingly, the images revealed not one, but multiple independent jets. These jets exhibited a suspicious symmetry in their arrangement, stretching millions of kilometers, yet all precisely concentrated near the ecliptic plane, like the fingerprint of some propulsion system. Subsequent photographs confirmed this. At least 7 distinct jets exist in a highly organized manner. This is highly unlikely to result from random natural phenomena. It appears more like a fragmented yet still operational, precision mechanical structure. Faced with such astonishing data, the scientific community has split into 2 camps. One camp insists this is merely an extreme natural phenomenon we have yet to comprehend. The other camp seriously considers this could be humanity's first encounter with an extraterrestrial technological artifact. A global network of telescopes, including Hubble and James Webb, is now focusing on these fragments. For unprecedented collaborative observation, they will analyze the fragments' chemical composition, structure, and motion patterns, searching for any potential technological signatures, such as regular radio signals or overly pure material compositions. The truth may unfold within weeks. 3I Atlas is receding. What it leaves behind is a question that may reshape humanity's view of the cosmos. What we've discovered is either a peculiar interstellar comet or an ancient probe, adrift in space for billions of years. Whatever the answer, we will never be the same, for the universe has revealed its true nature beyond our wildest imagination. This is the story of 3I Atlas, an unfolding scientific mystery. What do you think it is? A natural comet? Or something else? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to be the first to know the latest developments in this story, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications when the data analysis results from Hubble and Webb are released. I'll bring you the interpretation firsthand. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.